Unit 5.5 Day and Night. On the below diagram, label the sun's rays and the earth's axis and spin. It has been labeled. How long does earth take to spin once round its axis? It takes 24 hours. On the given diagram, color the part of the earth having night. On the right hand side is the part that the earth is having night. Why does almost every part of the Earth's surface have some hours of daylight and some hours of darkness every day? The Earth spins on its own axis and makes one complete turn in 24 hours. Almost every place on the Earth faces the sun and has day for part of the 24 hours. As you already know, the sun stays still, and the Earth is that keeps revolving around the sun. So when one side is facing away from the sun, that is where it is the night time. And when it faces towards the sun while revolving, that is when it is daytime. All the planets spin on their axis. Why do all the planets have some hours of daylight and some hours of darkness? It is the same concept. All the planets orbit around the sun. When parts of each planet face the sun, these parts have day, and when those parts are facing away from the sun, they have night. Mercury takes 59 Earth days to spin once round its axis. Are the nights and days longer or shorter than on Earth? It's longer. Jupiter takes 10 Earth hours to spin once round its axis. Are the nights and days shorter or longer than on Earth? It's shorter. Earth is one of the planets in the solar system. All the other planets spin on their own axis like Earth does, but they spin at different speeds. Look at the data in the table. Mercury takes 59 Earth days to complete one spin. This means one day on Mercury would be like 59 days on Earth. When a planet spins on its axis, what does the half of the planet facing the sun experience? The part facing the sun experiences daytime. Which planet has the longest day? Venus. If you lived on the planet with the longest day and slept for half the day, how long would you sleep for every day? It would be 121 and a half Earth days. Which planet has the shortest day? Jupiter. If you lived on the planet with the shortest day, how many hours would you be at school every day? If on Earth you spend about 6 hours at school, you would be only 2.5 hours at school if you spend the time in the planet with the shortest day, because 6 hours on Earth is 1/4 of 24 hours. So on Jupiter, 1/4 of 10 hours is 2.5 hours, because the duration of the day in Jupiter is just 10 hours.